Hey, what's up, guys? Hopefully everyone's doing well. I just got this in today. This is a car part for my EVO 10 GSR 2011. I bought this off ClubSpec. The link will be down in the description below. It's a Firewall heat shield. If you guys didn't know, my car had to go back into the dealership in Hartford, Connecticut, because my factory turbo went on me. It was making a weird noise and started leaking oil. I eventually bought a used turbo from eBay. Had to find a machine shop to get the studs out, and went on from there. So the car's back to normal, and my intake manifold had a heat shield cover, but they forgot to put it on. Hey, what's up, guys? Before I went to the dealership in Hartford to get the turbo put on that I bought off of eBay, because the OEM one shit the bed. I bought another OEM from eBay, and I had to find a place to get the studs taken out. Now, I had a heat shield for the manifold cover, and they never put it back on for some reason. Either they lost it or they forgot all about it. That is why I went out and bought myself a heat shield, because this little thing right here is not gonna do too much. I can protect the firewall. That's why I decided to pick one up at ClubSpec, Chicago ClubSpec. I was gonna do MAPerformance, but they don't powder coat. So if you want yours powder coated like mine, go to Chicago ClubSpec. The link will be down in the description below. And when they took the turbo out, they didn't attach my strut bar, and it's missing a bolt too. So that's Connecticut Hartford dealership for you. But yeah, so there you go, guys. So this just gave me an excuse to buy a car part, since I haven't bought a car part for a little while now. This was around 150 bucks. They do powder coat. I was going to go to the MAPerformance heat shield. I emailed them. They don't do any powder coating whatsoever. So I decided to go with this company instead, which is ClubSpec. So I'm going to open this up, check it out, and go from there. A little hard with one hand. Come on. Ooh, look at that. They wrapped it up nice and neat. Now I'm going for a look inside my engine bay. So they don't, I gave them my actual car's PIN code. They couldn't do it. They emailed me about it. If I find the email, I'll leave like a text down below inside the video telling you why they couldn't do it. All right, this is what the color I got. I got it white, gloss white. I bought the valve cover from MAPerformance. I still haven't gotten that powder coated yet, but either that was going to be white or this was going to be blue, or vice versa. Because my intake tubing is blue, I believe it is. So I'm trying to keep blue and white together. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It is a very nice, very, very nice. It's the logo. That looks sharp. I am so stoked. I cannot wait to throw this in. So this is what the heat shield, Firewall heat shield looks like. If you want to pick one up, I'll throw the link down in the description below. I'm not sponsored by them at any means or anything like that, so I don't have any promo codes, unfortunately, to throw out to you guys. But from what it says here, you get yourself an upper intercooler piping add-on. If you click yes, it shows you. If you click no, it tells you what kind of powder coat you want: wrinkle gray, red, satin black, none. If you want to get like basic colors, you're gonna have to write them a note and leave them inside. And every time you switch on what color powder coat, it changes the price as well. So keep that in mind, guys. So that's it. That's the ClubSpec Firewall heat shield. I bought a relocation kit from some other company, and I just found out that ClubSpec Chicago actually bought them out. I don't remember what the name of that company was that I got my relocation kit. That's in the trunk right now. If I can remember it, I'll leave it up on the screen. But I found out that ClubSpec Chicago bought those guys out. So that's probably why you guys, some of you guys didn't get your relocation kits, because this company bought the old company out, which I drawn a blank on. But this company does sell a relocation kit. It's around like $300 to $400. I highly suggest you guys pick one up if you guys live in like the northwest, northeast, anywhere where there's snow. Definitely get one, because those pumps don't go cheap, my guy. It's like $1,200 to get a new one. Then you get to factor in the taxes and the labor of some schmuck putting it in for you. So yeah, please keep that in mind. But other than that, I'm loving this. I can't wait to throw this in. And enjoy. Like if you like, dislike if you dislike, and I am out of here.